right there.
Dad!
He's trying to tell her that ship. Anyway, 21 in the lead. We got Carol on, followed by Barb Shadid. Barb trying to make a move high on the outside over through 1 and 2. Not working, Brian.
She's doing good. Yeah. She's doing really good.
Pretty hard on this car. Oh yeah, no, that is hard on the car.
Oh, there she goes!
Barb off over in between 3 and 4. Still on her wheel.
That means stop when they're on there. What about Daryl? Tell her.
He hung up over there in the buckbrush.
Here he goes.
No movement. Never rolled. He's on her wheel.
Where is she?
Could just be stuck.
Uh-oh.
There we got movement. There's the bird. She's coming. She's coming.
Oh, there she is.
Yay!
Well done.
She won't be impressed with herself for that one, but what can you do? That's how it goes.
All right, here she goes. Now she's in second.
For sure?
I hope so. Either that or Dad's a very bad coach.
No, you probably told her to shift in this second, but she hasn't switched yet. Now you're videotaping Kelly.
There she goes.
Yeah!
She just shifted
Well,
right
we
there.
moved up one gear, I think. Yep.
Come on, Kelly, now
There she goes.
They're already behind the line.
She can just shove on her right from back there. By the time she gets caught up, the green will be down. There we go.
Carol.
Oh! They were letting her get into second before they gave the flag.
A little nervous on that high side now.
Carol down
On the outside, she's effectively cutting her lap times in half. Good girl, Carol.
The girls are a little nervous over this, you know. They don't want to wreck the car.
I would be interesting. I might have figured
24.03. Not that far off from what the guys do, is it? No. Especially when it's
Yeah, that looks better.
There we go. Looks like she's leading now.
All right, let's get interesting here.
When I think if she's
Maybe.
going.
Yeah, she ain't scared to hit the drum.
This game, Barb, not here. Down on the inside. And what flag we got? One lap to go.
Here we go.
Don't let her get go.
Look at that, how fast everything can get.
Look how we go.
We got a new leader.
Go, Kelly.
Oh.
If he comes around,
And she got a flat tire.
flat tire. 14 and 15.
She's moving. Second place. That's actually one. Carol has a flat too.
There, we got a flat tire over here. We got flat tire.
Awesome job, guys. Well done.